Nintendo Switch hacker Gary Bowser released from jail and will pay Nintendo 25 to 30% income for the rest of his life. What? Come on.
And his name is Gary Bowser?
Wait a second, Will.
No, it's real. This is real.
He used to be like the CEO or something.
What?
That was the crazy part, right? The guy, a big executive at Nintendo had the actual name Bowser. I didn't know he ran into trouble.
Isn't he just a leaker?
Oh, he is? Okay.
Hacker.
Okay, never mind. Wait a second. Hang on a second. Can you there was never an executive by such a name? Why do I feel like there was a moment of like, no way?
No, I think you're right. I think there was a guy named something, like Nintendo related.
Yes, and he worked for Nintendo.
Yeah.
Nintendo executive with Nintendo name. Doug Bowser.
Wow, that name's common.
No, it's not. That's the thing. It's not. So
But this one's spelled with the S.
What's the other guy spelled with?
Isn't it with the Z?
No.
No?
No, it's right there.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind.
Doug Spencer Bowser is an American businessman currently serving as the president of Nintendo America.
Yeah.
Okay, like
Gary Bowser.
How bananas is that? The president of Nintendo America, their name is Bowser.
Yeah.
And the biggest Nintendo hacker ever is Bowser.
And
what's going on?
Spoiler alert, they're brothers. No, they're not.
Yeah, they're enemies. Bowser versus Bowser.
Bowser.
This is wacky. Like, I remember the first time I found out about that, I was like, what are you talking? Like,
yeah.
For sure you hired the guy because
his last name. Of course, it all makes sense.
So what is Pat says life simulation? Yeah, I don't know, I guess. Bowser has paid 175 of the 14.5 million damages owed to date. $175?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. He's really going to take a dent out of that. Sentenced in February 2022 to 40 months in prison for his part as a member of the hacking group Team Executor, creating and selling circumvention devices enabling users to play illegal ROMs on consoles, including Switch and 3DS. He got 40 months in prison for that? Wow. That's no joke.
Dude, can you set up? What is it?
It's exactly what I want it to look like.
Okay.
Bowser said he was released from federal prison in late March and is now at the Northwest Detention Center in Washington, where he's undergoing processing before returning to Canada. Of course, he's Canadian. There's no way he's paying this back. He doesn't make that much money. $14.5 million in damages, of which a $10 million payment to Nintendo is considered the priority. Where's he? What is this? What is those damages based on? How's he ever going to get that type of cash?
I think Nintendo,
illegal ROMs. He never made that kind of dough.
I think Nintendo just wants him to suffer.
Right. Oh, there you go. Okay, so because he's only paid $175 now, he's just going to have to pay a percentage of his gross monthly income to Nintendo forever because he's never going to hit that $15 million.
Yeah, he'll never pay it off.
Given that Bowser's 53 years old, it means Bowser's unlikely to ever fully clear his debt and will likely be paying Nintendo for the rest of his life.
Any interest, though?
Crazy.
Good luck.
He got to call up the other Bowser and be like, look, we're related from a long time ago.
Yeah.
I'm the evil one.